Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Becky here. Today I'm going to be showing you how I apply low lights to my hair. Today I use the Simply Color Permanent Hair Dye Kit by Schwarzkopf. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. I mean, I really enjoyed this kit, from the formula to the packaging. It just felt very high-end, but it was only $9 and I love the results. So all around a 10 out of 10. This is a personal technique that I use to highlight or put low lights in my hair. So this is not what the kit recommends, it's just what I do. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. It comes with everything you need, including gloves that actually fit my hands. So that was just another plus. Right out. And then of course shake it up. I like that it's a twist cap because most of the hair dye kits, you have to like break off the top and then it'll like spill out a little bit, or it's just difficult to take off. So that's cool that you just like twist it off. I like that. All right. So like I said, I think I'm gonna do low lights. I'm not going to do a ball and roll dye because I want to keep the highlights that I have as they are. That one. I'm actually going to use the top that it comes with to hold the hair dye, because I'm going to be taking the dye in my fingers and just applying it to the hair, so I won't be using the bottle. So I will be taking strips of hair and just applying the dye with my fingertips, as you can see. And yeah, it's very easy, easier than using foil in my opinion, but it is messy, so that's the only downside to this process. So after I complete the bottom half, I go to the top and do the exact same thing that I'm doing right here. I'm just literally taking pieces and brushing in the dye. So I randomly decided to grab a toothbrush to my mess, you guys. Oh my gosh. To use it just to paint in the low lights in areas that just become a little bit messier with my fingers, and it worked really well. I'm definitely going to use it in the future. Oh my god. I look like one of those dogs. You know, the ones that they submit into like the ugliest dog contest? This is how all their hair looks, right? I would win. So after I let this sit for 30 minutes, I'm going to wash it out with shampoo and then apply this conditioner that it comes with. Now it says with this conditioner you have to rinse out your shampoo and then towel dry and then apply this conditioner and then rinse it again. So lazy, but I hate extra steps. So let's wash. Ta-da! Here are the results. I am so thankful that this turned out well. I will definitely be repurchasing this kit in the future to dye my hair. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!